Hey there, friends! Today we're diving into a topic that affects many people around the world: toenail fungus. So, let's get started on understanding some home remedies to help you regain your healthy, happy feet. Toenail fungus is a fungal infection that affects the nails on your toes. It can cause discoloration, thickening, and even deformation of the nails. Thankfully, there are various treatments available for toenail fungus. Here are some popular options. 1. Tea tree oil. Known for its antifungal and antibacterial properties, tea tree oil can be applied directly to the affected nail. Mix a few drops with the carrier oil like coconut oil and gently massage it into the nail daily. 2. Apple cider vinegar. Dilute 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 parts water and soak your feet for 20 to 30 minutes daily. This acidic solution can help inhibit fungal growth. 3. Vicks Vaporub Rub. Though typically used for cold relief, some people have found success applying Vicks Vaporub Rub to the affected nail daily. Its active ingredients, camphor and eucalyptus oil, may have antifungal properties. 4. Baking soda and borax. Create a paste by mixing equal parts baking soda and borax with water. Apply the mixture to the infected nail and let it sit for 15 minutes before rinsing it off. Repeat this process twice a day. 5. Garlic. Crush a few cloves of garlic and apply the paste directly to the affected nail. Cover it with a bandage and leave it on for 30 minutes before washing it off. Repeat daily until you see improvement. 6. Sunlight and fresh air. Fungi thrive in dark, damp environments. Give your feet some sunshine and fresh air whenever possible to help combat toenail fungus. 7. Keep your feet clean and dry. Wash your feet daily with soap and water and dry them thoroughly before putting on socks and shoes. 8. Wear breathable shoes. Opt for shoes made from breathable materials like canvas or leather to allow air circulation and prevent moisture buildup. 9. Trim your nails regularly. Keep your nails short, clean, and straight across to minimize the chances of infection. 10. Change socks regularly. If your feet tend to sweat, change your socks at least once a day or whenever they become damp. 11. Topical antifungal creams. Available over the counter. These creams can help treat mild to moderate infections. 12. Oral antifungal medications. Your doctor may prescribe medication like terbinafine or itraconazole to combat the infection from the inside out. Let's look at the common causes of toenail fungus. Sweaty feet. Moisture creates a perfect breeding ground for fungi to multiply. Fungi love warm, moist environments, so wearing sweaty shoes and socks for extended periods increases the risk of infection. Walking barefoot in public areas. Walking barefoot in shared places like gyms, pools, and locker rooms can expose your feet to fungal spores. Toenail fungus can be an unsightly and uncomfortable problem, but with the right treatment and care, it can be successfully managed. Remember to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment, and be patient. It can take time for the infection to clear and for healthy nails to grow back. Stay consistent within your chosen treatment. Follow the prevention tips, and you'll be on your way to fungus-free feet.